Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 to Discord so you can stream it using the internet. Now, when you're on your PlayStation 5, you want to go to Settings and scroll on down on here and go to System. And there's one option we want to make sure is enabled. This is called Remote Play. Now, make sure it's enabled for your account right here. And then we want to connect to the internet and then use Remote Play to stream it to Discord. So you can pair your device right under here if it's not fine in it, if you're on the same internet connection. And then we can go to the connection history and we can see if we've connected before. So once we have that enabled, let's go on over to our computer now. So I have Discord up right now, but I want to go to the internet browser and get Discord, or get Remote Play. So let's go to PS5 Remote Play and get this on our computer and download it right here. Now, it's going to be kind of annoying to download it. We just have to click on the right spot. So let's go on down. We can see the mobile app versions for the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. But for the PC version, we have to scroll on down. And we can see the PC download and Mac right here. And then it says download, get this. And then let's go to Windows PC. Then finally check mark right here and agree. And then you can download it on your computer. Then I have it already on my computer and installed down here at the bottom, PS Remote Play. So I'm simply just going to open this up. And then if I can't open up there, I can just type it in under the search. Go to Remote Play. And you can sign in with your account, my email address and password. And you might have to connect your controller to your PC to play. Otherwise, it's just going to disconnect you. So what I normally like to do is sign in with a second account and then Remote Play to my first account. So if that makes any sense, then it won't disconnect you from Remote Play. Otherwise, you need to have your controller plugged into your PC to play. But I'm just going to hit my PlayStation 5 Pro since I already found it and it's connected to the same internet connection. And it should discover it here rather shortly. So we can bring this up and stream it on my PC now. And then I can just stream it from Discord. So here it is. Now let's go to Discord. And then I'm in a group already, so I can join this. And now I want to go to share your screen. And I want to find Discord under here. I want to find the screen, the application with Remote Play. So it looks like I might have to scroll on down or up. So here it is. I can share it. And it's only going to share at 30 frames per second at 720p. So this is streaming on over to my friends, whoever joins, they can watch this now. And just make sure you have everything plugged in. If you have the option for a wired connection, it's going to work so much better. And you're going to be streaming twice. You're going to be streaming to your PC, and then you're going to be streaming out. So it does tax your internet connection quite a bit. So if you do have poor internet, this might not work. You might have to go ahead and get a capture card and stream it on over to your PC. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.